Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Stash Discord bot. This powerful tool serves as an invaluable companion for players of a well-known survival game, offering crucial in-game data. It provides real-time updates on item prices, detailed maps, and crafting recipes, helping you make informed decisions. This bot is an open-source project, developed by the community, and is completely free to use. To add the Stash bot to your Discord server, first find its official invitation link. You can usually find this on its dedicated project website or on popular Discord bot listing sites. Once you click the Add to Discord button, you will be prompted to select the specific server you wish to add it to. Ensure you have the necessary administrative permissions for that server. Finally, authorize the bot to grant it the required access, allowing it to function correctly within your server. Once StashBot is successfully added, you can start using its features immediately. Simply type /, then help in any channel to see a comprehensive list of commands. For example, to check an item's market value, use /price followed by the item's name. If you need a map, type /map and the map's name. To discover crafting recipes, use /craft and the item you wish to create. These commands provide instant, valuable information. StashBot significantly enhances your gaming experience by providing real-time, accurate data. This includes crucial details like ammo tiers, barter options, and even current server status, all accessible with simple commands. Being an open-source, community-driven project, it benefits from continuous development and user feedback. For further assistance, to suggest new features, or to connect with other users, consider joining the official StashBot community Discord server.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.